Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking into Justoy Pro, a site that claims to give away free Robux. Sounds like a dream, right? But is it a real deal or is it just another online trap? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public research and personal opinion. Always do your own checking before using any platform involving money or personal info. First off, we couldn't even find an official website for Justoy Pro. That's already a red flag. On Trustpilot, the platform has a 4.1 star rating with around 178 reviews. Some users praise it for amazing products, but others report unauthorized charges after trying to cancel subscriptions. Even more concerning, sites like Malware Tips say Justoy is part of an affiliate marketing scam. They warn users about fake offers and shady tactics like human verification that trick people into giving up their data. Apparently, promises like free McDonald's coupons or 90% off Zara deals never actually show up, and the same likely applies to free Robux. Justoy Pro throws out tempting offers, but the sketchy website behavior, reported charges, and scam warnings are major red flags. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Avoid it. Thank you for watching. If you've tried Justoy Pro or had any weird experiences, drop a comment below to help others stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe out there.